Hi everybody, my name is Enrique and today I'll be presenting on the red algae genus Liagora. So just a brief overview of my presentation today. We'll do a taxonomical breakdown of the algae of study, look at some type species that can be found here in the Hawaiian flora, some interesting features that separate this genera from the others, and a couple of interesting facts including a study that I found, and with some references. And so the breakdown of the taxonomy of this algae is from the Empire Eukaryota, Kingdom Plantae, phylum Rhodophyta, which encompasses all the other red algae. Class Florideophyceae, order Animaliales, which also includes the Galaxaura, which employs calcification, from the family Liagora and the genus Liagora. And so there are some 128 species identified on algae base. It's an incredibly successful genera throughout the oceans. And despite this initial number, only 55 species have been taxonomically accepted. So this is sort of a common theme with all the other algae, and with more genetic data, there will be better determination of species in the future. Of those 55 taxonomically accepted species, 15 can be seen here in the Hawaiian flora, including this species, Liagora spp. I'm sure many of you have seen it through trying to get some extra credit for your herbarium. As previously mentioned, the genetic species determination may change in numbers, but will be increasing understanding over time as new technologies develop as well. So some interesting features on my algae, they have some multi-axial organization with a calcified exterior, and so they're able to utilize the minerals in the water column in order to build structural support. Like the other red algae, they contain chlorophyll A and phycobilins for their light harvesting plasmids, and they lack the chlorophyll B that the green algae have. They exhibit multiple ganymeloblasts upon fertilization, so once the carpogonial branch comes in contact with the male spermatia, it comes back down and they're able to develop multiple tissues associated with fertilized egg in order to undergo carposporify formation. And they attach to the substrate via a single holdfast, which is different from the other species of algae that we've seen throughout this phylum. And so some interesting facts about Liagora. There was a paper published by Nelson et al. In 2008 that studied the calcification rates in Liagora and other species along the coastline. And these algae were influenced by the coastal development and inputs from anthropogenic processes, such as effluent waste and coastal development that release minerals into the water. And they found that for species of algae that calcify their cells like Liagora, there's a direct influence as to the amount of calcium in the water, and they're able to create their skeletons based on the amount of minerals that they're surrounded by. And so they form intercellular crystals of aragonite and calcite. So for those of you who don't know, the calcite is a more compact and stronger form of calcium carbonate than aragonite. And the study found that they are unable to make that jump from aragonite to calcite when the calcium fluctuation in the water is severe. And they significantly contribute to carbon deposition in reef ecosystems like all other algae that are able to calcify their cells, such as Halimeda seen in the chlorophyte. So, any questions?